Hi, I'm Danny, and this is John.
And we're going to show you how to cut, copy, and paste in this tutorial.
And we might even show you how to undo.
The first method we're going to do is click and drag. Now that's going to cut these three files, the Jellyfish, Lighthouse, and Penguins pictures, and it's going to move them over from the Copy Demo folder over to the Destination folder. So Danny's going to do that real quick. So you see him highlighting them with the blue area with the mouse by using his left click mouse button. Okay, so he's going to show that again. Pulls it over it just like that. Now they're all selected because they're in blue. Now he's going to grab it with the left click mouse button and he's going to move it over to the Destination folder. They will disappear because they've been moved. Now he's going to click on the Destination folder and there they are. They've been moved from one folder to the other folder. Okay, the second method we're going to show you is we're going to move the Jellyfish file over from the Destination folder to the Copy folder using submenus. And the submenu, the first one that'll pop up when you right click with your right click mouse button is Cut and Copy. Now what he's going to do is he's going to hit Cut. He's going to click on Cut. And he's going to go over to the Copy Demo file and then he's going to right click and it'll show him Paste. So now he clicks on Paste and it moves that file over. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cut that Lighthouse and Penguins pictures and move them from the Destination folder over to the Copy Demo folder. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the Shift key and then I'm going to select both of those files. And that's good for selecting multiple files if you want to copy them or cut them and move them. So right now Danny is going to right click on the Lighthouse or the Penguins picture and bring up the submenu. Then he's going to select Cut. And then he's going to go back over to the Copy Demo and he's going to right click on there and he's going to paste. As you see, those are the only choices that you'll get. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to copy a file instead of cut it. Now he's going to select the Jellyfish file, he's going to right click on it, okay, and he's going to go copy instead of cut. Now when he does this, it's going to make a duplicate wherever he right clicks and hits paste. So now he's going to go to Destination folder, right click, and then it'll show paste, and then he'll click paste, and you'll see there's a duplicate copy in the Destination folder of Jellyfish picture to match the one in the Copy Demo folder. So now you have two of them. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to do the same thing we did with the Jellyfish file. We're going to copy it, but we're going to do the Lighthouse and the Penguins at the same time. So we're going to do a multi-select and then copy them over. So you'll see three duplicates of three files over in the Destination folder that were in Copy Demo folder. So he's going to select both Lighthouse and Penguins now, and he is going to right click on them, hit copy, and then he's going to go over there to the Destination folder, right click, and then click paste. Now all three pictures have been duplicated and you see two sets of them now. Okay, since we don't need the second set of the Jellyfish, Lighthouse, and Penguins in the Destination folder, we are going to delete them. So we're going to multi-select each one of those files, the Jellyfish, the Lighthouse, and the Penguins pictures. Okay, now they're all selected and we can right click on them using the right click mouse button, and we can go down to delete, which is towards the bottom of the menu, click on it, and they'll all be gone. It'll ask, are you sure you want to move these three items to the recycle bin? And you click yes unless you don't want to get rid of them. Otherwise, you can go to the recycling bin after they've been erased and bring them back. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to show you how to use the Explore function. So you can find your drive, your flash drive that you have, or your hard drive. They'll both list the same. And you can find a file in it and copy things over to your computer. So what Danny's going to do now is he's going to right click on the Start menu. He's going to go to Open Windows Explorer. Now it's going to show the different drives and the different files you have in your computer. Now he's going to go to Pen Drive, which is my flash drive, click on it. Now I've already copied Copy Demo folder over to this drive. So you'll see it, it's in alphanumeric order. So if you go back to the top, you'll see Copy Demo. Then you click on Copy Demo and those files will be in there. So double click and there's Jellyfish, Lighthouse, and Penguins. Okay, the next step to that is that we're going to take the Jellyfish, Lighthouse, and Penguins files out of the pen drive and we're going to move them onto the computer in the Destination folder. Now Danny is going to select the Jellyfish, Lighthouse, and Penguins files to move them. And he's going to use Control A to select all the files in that pane. He does that. Now he can go over here and he can right click on those files and he can copy them, cut them, or he can use shortcut keys to make them go over there. Sometimes that can be faster once you get used to them. So we'll show you the shortcut keys next. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and copy those 3 files and move them over to the destination folder. Now what Danny's going to do is he's going to hit Control and hold the Control key down and hit C. So Control C copies them to a clipboard. Now he's going to go over to the other pane on the other side for the destination folder. He's going to use shortcut keys to do that. So what he's doing is he's hitting Alt and Tab, and that switches between the different files. Now as you see, this is grayed out and that's blued, and you can see that this pane is selected. So Danny is now going to go over to that pane since it's selected, and he is going to use the Control V to paste those files. Voila, they're in there. Okay, so the last thing we're going to do is Danny's going to select those 3 files in the copy demo, which is on my flash drive, which is an external component that you can plug into your USB port that has memory in it. So he's going to go ahead and select those 3 files, and then he is going to take those 3 files and Control X, which cuts them out of there, and he's going to take them and put them over in the destination folder, which is actually on the computer on the hard drive. So he's going to do that right now. And you see they moved from the copy demo file in my pen drive, my flash drive here, over to the destination folder. So now they're on there. Now if we hit Control Z, that will reverse the situation, okay? It's going to undo. So I'm going to hit Control Z, and there they are. They went back from the destination folder, which is on the computer, back to my pen drive. So that's a way to undo something that you're not sure about, that you don't want to do, you just wanted to check it out. So.
I'm Danny, and this is John.
And that concludes our tutorial on cut, copy, and paste.